So the first thing I will do is I will go to my VS Code and I will create a new file right here, and I will name it home automation. Okay, so this is our Python file. But before we start writing our code, we need to install some important libraries that we are going to use in this code. So I will open my terminal right here. So the first library that we are going to install is a Python text-to-speech library, pyttsx3. It allows the Python to respond back to us in a voice instead of just printing the message in the terminal window. So I will say pip install pyttsx3. I hit enter. Now I will wait for it to complete the installation. Now another library that we need is speech recognition library, as we want Python to understand what the user is saying and act accordingly. So I will say pip install speech recognition. So now the last library that we need is a library to send commands to our Arduino board. This library is called pyfermata library. So I will say pip install So all of our libraries have been installed. Now we can simply close the terminal from here